Did you know you can generate blog articles directly from Narrato's SEO briefs? Let us show you how. First, generate an SEO brief for your topic. Simply enter your topic and click Generate. It takes a few seconds for the brief to be ready. Once the brief is generated, click on the edit icon to enhance and clean up the brief. Make sure you have all the right keywords, questions to answer, and relevant, high-quality reference links. Optimizing the SEO brief is essential to get the best output from the AI writer. Now, click on the Generate Content with AI button on the SEO brief. You will have two options here. The first option is to generate a long blog article that will generate the article based on the topic and the keywords in the brief. Choose if you want to use the questions from the brief, and click on Continue to generate an outline. Review the keywords and outline, and make any changes as you see fit. Make sure that the outline covers all the questions or subtopics you want to discuss, so that the generated article is rich and valuable. Then click on Generate and your article will be ready within seconds. The AI-generated article is completely optimized as per the SEO brief and has a high SEO score. You also get image recommendations and video recommendations for your content. To generate long blog articles from URLs or documents, select the option. Choose if you want to use questions from the brief, and click on Continue. Then, choose whether you want to generate the article from reference URLs or documents. You also have the option to pick reference URLs from the brief or to provide your own. Select the reference URLs that the AI can use to craft the content, and click on Generate Outline. Edit and improve the outline to align with your objectives. Then generate the article. Your SEO blog article will be ready in a couple of minutes, complete with image recommendations, SEO metadata, and a social media post. Create long blog articles from SEO briefs in minutes on Narrato. Try it out today.